Here's how to put games on your TI-84 Evo. All you need is a web browser and a USB cable. Quick check first. Press the Program key. If Python app is there, you're good. If it's not, watch the reinstall video linked below, then come back. Head to the CalcPlex games page. There's Tetris, Pac-Man, Snake, 2048, and a lot more. Plug your calculator into your computer and make sure it's turned on. On the CalcPlex games page, click Connect your calculator. Pick the TI-84 Evo and hit Connect. Now press Send to Calculator on any game you want. That's the whole install. Over on the calculator, press the Program key. Choose Python app. Your games show up in this list, so arrow down to the one you want. We're grabbing Tetris. Then press Enter, and the game starts right up. And that's Tetris, running on your calculator. There are way more games and tutorials at calcplex.com.